So introducing the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G is India's fastest charging smartphone. With this all-new technology, all you need is just 15 minutes to go to 100% charge.
Complemented by 34 protection features which span across the charger, the circuit and the battery, the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G is built for long-term performance. Some of these 34 charging and safety features include high temperature charging and discharging protection, overheating shutdown protection, USB input overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection and overvoltage protection. To add to this, there are 9 effective real-time thermal monitoring sensors to ensure safe charging. Additionally, the fast charging system on the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge has the TÜV Rheinland Safe Fast Charge System certification. Watching content on the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G is going to be a spectacular viewing experience. The 11i Hypercharge features a 120Hz FHD+ AMOLED display, which is sure to give you stunning cinematic and an immersive experience. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display further widens this spectacular display experience with more viewing real estate. The display is also equipped with a 360Hz touch sampling rate, making the display highly responsive, and this seamless experience is extended up to 120Hz of refresh rate. The display also features a 1.76mm ultra-narrow bezel with 2.96mm punch hole screen to further extend the viewing experience. The display is also protected with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5.
That the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G is one of the first phones in India to come with the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset. Released in Q3 of 2021, this global 5G chipset gives users flagship-grade performance in the palm of their hands. The Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G sports the flagship 108-megapixel HM2 image sensor, the world's slimmest 108-megapixel image sensor yet. The large 1x1.52-inch sensor manages to capture tremendous amount of light and detail, which also gives you a lot of room to crop in and reframe even after capturing photos. We also have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a very wide 120-degree field of view, which allows you to capture a broader perspective as per your creativity. In addition to these, the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G comes laden with a macro sensor for those creative close-ups. At the front, the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G sports a 16-megapixel front camera that takes wonderful-looking selfies. Speaking of which, we have made the camera punch hole at the front as small as possible, as it takes up only 2.96mm in terms of space on the display. This is why we have an IP53 rating for protection against dust and water. You also get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which offers the convenience of being able to unlock your device no matter which way it is kept on a table, for example, along with the accuracy and speed that you require for a quick unlock experience. The Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G comes with a top-mounted IR blaster that allows you to take control of your devices, be it at home or in the office. Last but certainly not the least is the much-loved 3.5mm headphone jack, which is available at the top of the device. The Xiaomi 11i 5G comes with a slightly bigger 5160 mAh battery in comparison to the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G, and it also has a 67-watt Xiaomi turbocharged technology. It manages to charge to 50% in under 13 minutes. In a sense, you'll notice that both the Xiaomi 11i 5G and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G are the same device when it comes to the display, the processor, the camera, as well as design, and the change comes only in terms of the battery as well as the charging speed.
With this phone, you get a lot of things, starting with the exceptional 120-watt fast charging that will charge the phone in just 15 minutes. Making it India's fastest charging smartphone. It is also one of the first few phones in the country to be powered by the all-new Dimensity 920 5G chip. This is clubbed with vapor chamber cooling. It also supports additional up to 3 GB of virtual RAM, and thus you can get a total of up to 11 GB RAM. It comes with 120Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display for an impeccable viewing experience, Dolby Atmos sound for exceptional audio experience, and 108 megapixel triple pro camera setup with dual native ISO for incredible low light performance. This phone is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and comes with IP53 rating. It has a 3.5mm jack and an expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. And all of this with the 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge technology. While the phone supports 120 watt of Hypercharge, we didn't want all of you guys to wait to experience this. And hence, we are bundling a 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge adapter into the box. Yes, you heard it right. We also have Xiaomi 11i 5G that brings all the goodness of Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge, but with a bigger battery clubbed with 67-watt turbocharged fast charging and a 67-watt charger in the box. Let us start with the price of 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge adapter. This 120-watt adapter will be priced at only Rs 3,999. I'm happy to share that the pricing of Xiaomi 11i will start from only Rs 24,999. We also have some great limited time New Year offers across bank cashback, prepaid offers and more that will take the effective price down to only Rs 21,499. And for the 8GB 128GB variant, the pricing will be only Rs 26,999. And with all the great New Year offers, you can buy it for an effective price of only Rs 23,499. But hang on, there's one more way through which you can get an exceptional offer on Xiaomi 11i. We are partnering with Flipkart to bring Xiaomi 11i and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge edition under the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program.